Hi friends, hello. Hope you people are all good. And today's video is related to mutual fund investment. So I'll tell you about top rated mutual funds. So you can see five top mutual funds available in market, which you can buy. You can invest SIP SIP systematic investment plan. You can start. So these top mutual fund I have researched a lot, and I have gathered the names of these five top rated mutual funds for you, so that you can invest in in these schemes. So let's proceed further and see what are these top five top rated mutual funds. Okay, so here you go. So the first one is ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. So earlier this mutual fund was known as ICICI Prudential Focused Blue Chip Equity Fund. So this mutual fund is giving good return, and top top rated stocks, share market holdings this mutual fund is having. So this is very good mutual fund, and it has given very good return in the past years. So you can research yourself, and you can buy this mutual fund. You can do SIP on this mutual fund. Okay, this is the first one. Second mutual fund is HDFC Mid Cap Opportunity Fund Growth. Yes, so HDFC mutual fund house is very reputed in India, and they are doing really good job in terms of investment mutual fund investment return, and they have their own fund house, fund managers. They are very reputed and good one. So HDFC Mid Cap Opportunity Fund Growth, you can go for second option, and you can do systematic investment plan. You can start investing in this mutual fund. Okay, so let's see third, what is there in the third mutual fund. Yeah, so here is the third one, Reliance Top 200 Fund. Okay, so this is actually large cap fund. So what Reliance do, the Reliance invest all top large cap stocks, and it is also very good stock, and it has given very good return in the past years. Okay, in the previous years. So you can again research, and I have just given you the names. Okay, we are at the top 5 ranked mutual fund, but please do research yourself before you invest. Okay, but I have gathered all the information. I have did lots of research, and I'm trying to give you the top rated mutual fund list here, so that it will be easier for you to choose the funds. Okay, but please do the research for yourself as well. Okay. Okay, so this is the third one. Let's see the fourth mutual fund. Okay, the fourth mutual fund, it is again HDFC from HDFC house, and the fund name is HDFC Small Cap Fund Direct Growth. Okay, again I'm reading out, HDFC Small Cap Fund Direct Growth. Okay, so this is also one of the very good mutual fund. They have given very good return in past previous years. So you can do SIP investment in this fund scheme as well, this mutual fund scheme as well. Okay, so let's see the five top rated, the last one but not the list, the top last one mutual fund scheme. Okay, so the 5 one is Aditya Birla Sun Life Small Cap Fund Direct Growth. It has also given a very good return in previous years, and you can Aditya Birla is also very reputed fund house in India. They are doing really good job, so you can invest your SIP for this scheme. Okay, and you will get definitely good return after, if you invest for long term means, I mean 2 to 3 years or 5 years, it will be very good. You can get 100% to 100% return from the mutual fund. Okay, so guys, please subscribe my channel. I'll bring more informative videos for you, so that you can gain lots of knowledge about mutual funds and share market, and you earn money from stock market. So hope you like my video. Please subscribe, and please support my work. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching my video.